It's January and Mbekezeli Mbokazi is no longer a Betway Premiership player, is no longer an Orlando Pirates player, but he plays for Chicago Fire now. He is awaiting his debut for Chicago Fire. Yes, he hasn't started training with the team, but he will make his debut soon for Chicago Fire once the MLS season starts. It's going to be a very crucial 6 months for Mbekezeli Mbokazi in America. I wish for the guy to break the stereotypes that all of us have about the American League. I wish and hope he does well there to attract the so-called European teams, because this guy is quality. You saw him at AFCON winning almost each and every duels as a defender. This guy is generational talent, and these are type of players who produce once after every 20 years. Mbekezeli Mbokazi will do well in the MLS, and I wish bigger and better teams see him, the likes of Barcelona, the teams from the Premier League, etc. But for now, he's a Chicago Fire player, and I can't wait to see him donning the MLS team jersey. Follow me on TikTok and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more football content. Mbekezeli Mbokazi will soon be making his debut for Chicago Fire. Chicago Fire, ningalinge nimfake ku second division. We need him on the first team.